Hey everyone. Today, we're decoding one of the most subtle and sometimes confusing emojis, the slightly smiling face. It looks innocent, but depending on the situation, it can mean a lot more than just a smile. Let's uncover the true meaning behind this emoji and what it really says when a girl or boy sends it. General meaning. The emoji shows mild happiness, politeness, or calm positivity. It's like saying, "I'm okay," or "that's fine," but without too much excitement. It can express contentment, gratitude, or a gentle smile, but sometimes it's used sarcastically or passive-aggressively, depending on the tone of the conversation. Basically, it can mean either "I'm being nice" or "I'm pretending to be fine." It's one of those emojis where context changes everything. If a girl sends, when a girl sends can have two meanings, sweet or subtle. Positive meaning. It might mean she's being polite, friendly, or expressing light affection. Like, "I'm happy you said that," or "that's sweet." Hidden meaning. If she sends it after a dry or awkward moment, it could mean she's hurt, annoyed, or disappointed, but try and stay calm. Example. You say something slightly rude, and she replies, "Sure, yeah, that's not a happy smile." So pay attention. It could be a calm smile or a quiet warning. If a boy sends, when a boy sends, it usually means he's being chill, polite, or trying to keep the conversation light. It could mean, "I'm okay. That's nice. No worries." If he sends it after something awkward, it might mean he's uncomfortable, but pretending to be fine. And if it's used in a flirty way, it's often subtle, showing quiet affection or interest without being too obvious. Basically, when a guy sends it's calm, reserved emotion, sometimes warm, sometimes guarded. So next time you see, don't just see a smile, read the vibe. It can mean, "I'm happy to talk to you," or "I'm holding back my real feelings." The slightly smiling face says, "Everything's fine, maybe."